Welcome, coding geeks. Uh, let's solve this problem 3335. Total character in string after transformation 1. So, in this problem, a string s is given, an integer t. So, t is the number of transformation which we have to perform on the characters in a string s. And there are some rules given. So if it is a character Z, then we have to replace the string with AB, and other than Z, which is from A to Y, if it is present, we have to just replace the character with the character which is present next to that character. So we have to, so after that exactly T transformation, we have to send in the result the length of the resulting string. So yeah, and the result will be too large as our constraints are the length can be 10 to the power 5 and uh, the number of transformations can be 10 to the power 5. So we have to uh, divide by modulo so that the very large number will get reduced and we will get required output as a result. So yeah, so for example, we have this string. So first, let's understand how this question, what we have to do in this question exactly. So transformation, we can, for example, this string is given. So this will be the first transformation. In this, we will be converting A to B as this is not a Z. So A will be converted to B, which is its next character. Likewise, B to C, C to D, Y to Z, and Y to Z. This is first transformation. After first transformation, our string will be B, C, D, Z, Z. So in second transformation, we will be doing the same B to C, C to D, D to E, which will be the uh, next character in the string. In the character of B, C, and D, and we are in this string we are having Z. So as our rule suggests, we have to change it to AB. So we'll be adding the in place of Z, AB. So after that, transformation string will be this. So the length will be 7 as this is having 7 characters. So what we can do, if we try to do this like this, it will be like a huge string and our complexity will be big as transformation can be 10 to the power 5 and our string length can be 10 to the power 5 also. So what we can like minimize this to as our characters are only 26. So what we can do, we will just summarize this as this. So we will make an array from C0 to C25 and we will just numerize them. If the character is present, we will increase the count of it. So A, B, C, Y, Y. So we will be making an array of like this. So we can go ahead and what we will be moving this one to the next as in the next transformation as we are just moving the character from one to the next. So it will be that it will be 1 1 1 to the B, C, and D, and our Y will be moved to Z. In the next transformation, as we know, if it is 25, that is Z, we will be adding this count to A and B. And also one thing to notice, if we just shuffle the string, like in place of B, we kept Y. So, and we make the count array, it will be same. It will not have any. The string will be different, but the length will be same, and the counting array will be the same. So we can progress with our code. What we will be doing, we will be creating a uh, count array, and we will be counting it. And in place of Z, if it is Z, we will be adding the count of 25 to A and B, and in other case we will be just shifting the count from to the next step. So how will be the code will be done? This will be our code. What we will be doing, we will be making a character count array, and in that we will be taking our string and we will be making adding the counts in our character array. Sorry, and then what we will be doing for every transformation, we will be doing the same. So what we will be making a current count. So for this transformation, what will be our string? So we will be doing from 0 to 26, and for each we will be finding out like if the character is present, and we will be shifting it to the next one. If it is a 0, it will be shifted to the next. If it is 1, it will be shifted to the next one. And if it is the j is 25, which means it is z, so we will be adding that z with the in our a with our a with our the x index, which what is the count of our character, and in b also what is the count of our z character character. For other than that z, all we will be just shifting the count and we'll be adding it to the next one. And after that, the current count we will be adding that changes in our char count. So in the end, after all the transposition, our final count of the characters will be present in our char count. We will be just traversing this char count and we'll be adding it to rest, and then the response result will be returned. So we will just try to run this. Yeah, so it is working. Yeah, so it is giving a proper solution. So yeah, so this is the solution. I will be adding this in our description also. You can go through it. Yeah, thank you so much.